Hello guys, I'm Robinson. In my today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send anonymous email and ways to set up on web application and Android application. So if you need to send an email that aren't connected to your everyday identity, here is a strategy to do that. But you need to go through a few steps to use it. The first step is get an anonymous workspace. First of all, you need to install the Tor browser on a USB thumb drive. This is more secure, but instead of it, you can use VPN service to protect your network. So there is two options. You can install OneScript VPN application on your PC to use it, use the network for your any browser, or you can use OneScript Google Chrome extension only for your Google Chrome browser. Second step, your location. You never want to access your secret identity from home or work. This is just a bad idea, since there is a chance of revealing an internet protocol address that could be traced back to you. So what can you do? You need to use public Wi-Fi instead of using your private Wi-Fi. So how can you get it? To keep your data anonymous and your activities keep private, you need to use local coffee shop Wi-Fi or a library or somewhere else that offers public Wi-Fi. And step 3, you need to create an email account to receive an email from the victim. So I recommend using ProtonMail. This is a encrypted by default service. Also, you don't need to use your backup identification such as your secondary email or your phone number. But if it's needed, you can use a virtual one to create the account. This is more secure. So I'm going to show you how to create an ProtonMail account. First of all, you need to go through this website and click on sign up. So there is two options. You can use the Visionary, Professional, and Plus, and Free. If you use free, there is a 500 megabit storage and 150 messages per day. Also, it has limited support, so that's okay. It's a free plan. So you need to pick up a username. Also, you can change the domain, but that's okay. Choose a password. You can use recovery email as optional. So if you want, you can use your Yandex email account. Confirm it. So it's asking for verify. So now I am going to use my Yandex email address. You simply go to it and copy the address and paste it here and send an email. Just hold on. So here is the code. You can copy it and paste it to verify. Yes, we are nearly done. Yes, click on allow notification. So this is the display name. You can change it anytime. There it is. Oh, one more thing. In every time before you are going to start, you need to connect to your VPN service. So now I am using Google Chrome extension. And so the step 4 is go forward and remember these tips. Now that you are connected to Tor and separate your workspace. Yes, I'm not using Tor right now, but I'm using other browser instead of using Tor. I mean the VPN service to protect my network. So the next step is anonymous email service. So how you are going to send an email to your victim. So when all you need to do is spend a single anonymous email, then conditions are different. First, you don't necessarily want to bother with a secondary laptop. So let's assume you are using the Tor browser on a USB stick or using a VPN, but you are still not connecting from your home or the office network. So what then? Instead of using any other service, you will use the Gorilla Mail. This is the best um, anonymous email service provider I have used. Also, I have tested most of it, but this is the best one for Android application and web application, because you'll get a disposable temporary email address that will last forever. Anyone can send an email message to this address, but this message lasts in the email for only 1 hour. This is a headley service. If you're going to do it, send a single email with no response or maybe a single response required, but it's not a greatest option for trading multiple response. So I'm going to create, and I'll show you that right now how to set up with it. So I already created Proton Mail account to receive email from the victim. So now I'm going to install the Gorilla Mail, and I mean the setup. So go to the Gorilla Mail. So here it is. Once you came to this website, you'll find the option to change, to modify your address. So just simply click on twice, you can change it. You can simply write your name or anything, whatever you want. I'm using my name. Just simply set it, and you can change the domain. I'm using gur.la. You can just forget me. Once you click on forget me, it will be removed. So don't do it. You can, if you want, you can just change the address, or you can use the correct address. I'm using the anonymous one, this one. So this is the inbox. This is the tools. You don't need to modify anything about it. So you can compose email from here. You can send file. So you need to send an email to test it. So I'm just copying my Proton Mail account. Write a subject, test, and send it. Verify the captcha. So once you get verified, it will send the email automatically, and then this message is dispatched to the victim location. Refresh your inbox. So here it is. This is the mail you have received. So this is the address, and this is the victim location. I can show the details. It's totally encrypted. Okay, you can reply. This message done. Once you refresh, so just wait for a while. So this is the email I have received from the victim location. So that's it. The same process for Android device is you just install the Gorilla Mail app from Google Play Store and create an portable account to receive email from the victim. And once done, you'll open the Gorilla Mail application and pick up a username, and you can send email to the victim. Android phone, you need to download it from Play Store, the Gorilla Mail application. You can simply just, once you open it, you can pick a username. You can write it Ryan and display the domain. I've chosen already. Set it simply. Once done, so you can compose email from here and send it. Also, you can attach any file from here. This is the inbox, send, and dashboard. Please subscribe my channel.